Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to draw a polygon only using pencil. Let's start. At first we will draw a circle. Now we will make 4 equal parts in the circle. Then connect the line with a diagonal line. Now our tetragon is ready. Erase extra lines. Now we will draw a octagon. Do the same we did before. Draw a circle. This time make 8 equal parts in it. Connect all the lines with diagonal lines. If you want to draw freehand circle, check out our freehand circle video. Now erase the extra lines. Our octagon is ready. Now we will draw a hexagon using the same method. If you like our video, then do like, comment and share. And subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and more videos like this. Thanks for watching. And now our hexagon is ready. Erase extra lines. See you in the next video.